Hey, have you ever considered what it would be like to work as a photographer? Do you own a camera? Do you own a phone? Well then, let me tell you a little secret about how you can earn an additional $5,000 per week. Even if you're already a photographer, this can possibly make you lots more money. Okay. Making money as a photographer, how to make money photographing. This is a question that comes up frequently. In recent years, photography has emerged as a career that is very accessible. A camera can be purchased by anyone, and you can find high-quality equipment at very affordable prices. However, there is a lot of competition for travel and landscape photography, which is still frequently regarded as the holy grail. It is simple to make a living from photography, however, you must diversify in order to do so. So, in today's video, just for 5 minutes, we'll talk about few different ways to make money as a photographer. Hey, can I borrow 10 seconds real quick to remind you to please smash the like button down below if you think this video was helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more videos to continue receiving value. Comment down below. I subscribed. We'll be replying to every comment possible. Now let's get back to the video. At first, trying to make a living from photography can be difficult. Before we get started, here are some of our suggestions. Find your inspiration to bring your images to life. Determine which style works best for you. Do you prefer to shoot landscapes or portraits? Even with the excellent back camera on your iPhone, you can achieve excellent quality if you don't have a good camera yet. In order to one day become a famous photographer, you should start learning about them. Explore a variety of photography techniques, in addition compose carefully. So, let's talk about 5 efficient methods for making money from almost any kind of photography. Promoting your services to customers in the area. You can begin working on projects for friends or local small businesses. Make sure you sign contracts. You will appear more professional and establish clear terms from the start in this manner. Promoting the sale of stock images on sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. Providing services online. You can start a business as a photo editor or create packages that provide clients with online photography services. You can try platforms like Fiverr for that. Promoting prints. Teaching. Direct commission. When you take pictures directly for a brand, hotel, or tourist board. Although it really depends on the client, the work, and where the images are being used, you typically work on a day rate. They may provide payment or a free trip with all costs covered at other times. A good day rate would be at least $568 plus costs. So contact them via website or social media page, or visit local branch and inquire about how to get started. For advertisements, some travel agencies and tourism boards require valuable content. Additionally, having these connections in this industry is always advantageous because it may lead to new project opportunities. Having said that, you might be able to perform professional landscape photography for a company that offers tours to natural areas if you know of one. Additionally, having previous experience in videography would be advantageous. Selling your photos to travel magazines, both printed and online, frequently feature a wide range of stunning landscape images. And therefore, they often feature the work of various landscape photographers, in this way, making it a sufficient chance to sell your work. In addition, if your work is accepted for publication in a well-known magazine, it could help you establish a prestigious portfolio and gain valuable exposure. Additionally, selling your photos to a reputable publisher could guarantee you a profit. Submitting your work to photography festivals and competitions can increase your chances of winning cash prizes and other rewards, which is another way to earn money. Stock libraries. You can easily upload your images to stock libraries, and if you do a good job, you might make a small amount from them. Stock libraries typically provide you with approximately half of the customer's fee, which is frequently low. The trick is to take original photographs in various locations. Even though the fees are low, things like time lapses and 360 images, which perform better since there are fewer of them available, they can add up over the course of a week and provide some nice pocket money. Many photographers still earn a full living from stock libraries, but if you are only uploading landscape photos, then this is unlikely. You can try selling landscape photos on stock photography websites if you want to make money online. One of the best places to sell photos is on Shutterstock, but there are many other options as well. Alamy, 123RF, Deposit Photos, Adobe Stock, Dreams Time, iStock Photo, Stocksy. Start a blog. Photography is a great way to make money with blogging through ways like affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, Google AdSense, private advertisers, paid subscriptions to exclusive content, and donations are just a few ways to make money online. When you reach a large audience, you also open the door to more ways to make money, like selling products or launching a course. This happens frequently to bloggers and YouTubers. You give your followers links to websites like Amazon, and if they buy the product, you get a small commission from the website. Having a lot of traffic is essential to making a lot of money through affiliate programs. Among the major websites, Amazon has one of the best affiliate programs. Customers will pay to have photos taken of them and to tag them in social media posts. You can sell your photos printed on other products in addition to traditional canvas or framed prints. Can you imagine seeing your landscape photographs printed on things like phone cases and mugs? To that end, some well-known websites include Society6 Redbubble Zazzle Bay Photo, for holiday-themed calendars and greeting cards. Just a few ways how to monetize photography and make $5,000 a week. Got any questions? Feel free to ask in the comments down below. Smash the like button if you got some value here today. Subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. Pressure makes diamonds. Wealthy on our way to Mars.